Hello and welcome to the first vlog of 2022. Happy Sunday. My name is Rosie. If you're not familiar with me, this is my channel. I primarily do like plus size fashion content on my Instagram and TikTok, but here I am going to be goofing off a little bit more and just hanging out with my husband and going through my daily life. I am so excited to spend more time with you if you already know me, and I'm very excited to meet you if we're talking for the first time. I will still be doing plus size fashion content here as well, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to be mixing in some more lifestyle content this year. So without further ado, please enjoy the vlog. We are headed out to Frisco to go to a Coach store because they have a bag that I've been wanting. They've got it in 2 different sizes and I'm gonna try on both to see which one I want. It's 20 degrees in Dallas, so I am bundled up for the first time this year with my ankle showing. The hat is from Urban Outfitters. The scarf is from Madewell. This like puffer is from Madewell. We'll see if it stands up. I haven't worn it yet. I've got a cashmere sweater on underneath from J. Crew. These leggings, wow. Wow, ma'am, that was very loud. What is it? Leggings are Athleta, and I'm wearing Doc Martens. Oh my goodness. Hi, girl. Making her first appearance officially. And then also you. This is my husband.
I'm her husband.
We are very excited to say that word. New husband. We got married in November.
Oh my goodness. Can you believe it?
No, I can't believe it.
I just got some mashed potato on her.
Were you eating mashed potatoes?
We went to Stonebriar Mall because they didn't have the bags that I was looking for at North Park, and it was kind of a trek. Stonebriar's out near Frisco in Deep Plano, I believe. And of course I got distracted by cute stuffed animals. This is all footage of me taken by Houston on his phone. I don't know why, but I feel like he likes to film me at all the times that I look my goofiest. I feel like a lot of y'all can relate. Saw this cute pinball machine. I was obsessed. Do I need to own a pinball machine that's Texas themed? Maybe. Fit check. There are those ankles again. Terrified. Okay, this is the Coach store. Everyone here was so friendly. I decided to get a little personalized tag to put on my bag. You'll see it later, but the personalization process was so fun. These are only $8. I think they'd make a fantastic keychain if you want to go in and get yourself something nice for a less expensive treat. Oh my God, look at these eggs, baby. Back to the sounds.
I am now going to unbox the Coach item that I purchased yesterday. I'm sure you know what it is because everybody and their mom has been wearing these bags. This is such a nice experience. Like, this is not the Coach of my childhood. Well, I will say that when I was in high school, everyone had these like little Coach bags that, I mean, it's not like little now because little bags are very in fashion, but they were little bags that you put over your shoulder. They're probably like the size of an envelope. Don't know what they're called. If I find a pic, I'll put it right here and maybe you can all be nostalgic with me. How cute is this? I did get a little tag because I just got married and so I'm obsessed with putting things with my new initials. So I got this little tag. This is a very substantial box. Like, I got the large pillow tabby in this cream color. Hello, very cute. Oh my God. I have mainly like black and dark brown bags. I don't have many light colored bags, so that's why I picked this up. I will do a crossbody check just because I'm sure you, like me, always want to know how crossbody bags fit on plus size bodies. So let's attach it here and then I will bring you guys over to the mirror so you can get a better vantage point. Okay, that is the drop on me. Really cute. I actually would probably want to carry it like this, no joke. And then here it is crossbody. It's not bad. I'm a size 24 for reference. You know what? I'm actually seriously impressed. That's pretty damn good. But this is really, really cute. And I think it's gonna take me into spring and summer. Oh my God, I love it.
On this day, I needed to head out and grab a birthday present for a good friend of mine. Here's my little outfit of the day. I headed to Tribal. I loved the oatmeal and the matcha. It was nuts. Everyone was so friendly. This is Go Easy, one of my favorite small businesses around. I got all of my friends gifts and headed to Sprouts to do a little bit of grocery shopping. I know that Houston comes over here to get my favorite bread, but I haven't been in a long time and I was impressed.
Okay, I got back from the store. I'm unloading everything. I'll show you everything. I don't often go to Sprouts. Normally I go to like Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Target, probably the most. And I went and I was very pleasantly shocked at all the gluten-free stuff they had. I'm allergic to wheat, so I think that this is gonna be like my new spot. Okay, these are all the things I got. So I got these nut pods. This is almond coconut creamer. This is cinnamon swirl flavor, spice chai flavor. I am such a dork about chai. I will have it at any time of day. Pressed juices. I feel like everybody's getting sick. So I got a turmeric lemon one and then just like one with greens. This world's best mac and cheese. We'll see about that. Over here, these are my poppy drinks. These are so freaking good if you like soda that like doesn't upset your tummy. As you will learn, I am very sensitive to so many foods, so I have to like, you know, get my fair share of things. Houston wanted some normal bread, so I had got him this thick sliced white bread because honestly, I just choose whatever I would want to eat if I could eat wheat. For me, I got a white wide slice. This is really exciting because normally I feel like with gluten-free bread, it is always small and like not really the size of a sandwich. So this is pretty big and I'm very excited about that. I grabbed a kombucha for Houston. He loves kombucha, so I always like to get him something from the store. And speaking of that, Houston loves tomatoes. So I always get him tomatoes whenever I am out. Okay, another nut pod. This one is toasted marshmallow. I feel like they had all these flavors that I've never seen before, but I don't often buy nut pods, so I'm very excited to, you know, just like dress up my normal drinks at home with them. Okay, another gluten-free treat. This is the meaty marinara Beyond Beef. Like, it looks like a Hot Pocket. So I was like, it's gluten-free, it's a Hot Pocket, let's do this shit. Really into matcha right now. I saw a YouTuber talking about this one and I'm excited to try that one, trying to find my favorite one to have at home. I cook Italian a lot. I cook pasta a lot. So I got some chicken sausage and hot Italian. These are some of my favorite gluten-free crackers. I love these for like putting in soup, and also they're so good to just put like cream cheese on. Delicious. I cannot contain how excited I was to get these. These are coconut flour tortillas and they're really big. I think the thing I miss most now that I can't eat wheat, I miss burritos, and I feel like I'm always complaining about not being able to have a burrito, and so my joy when I saw this was exponential because it actually looks like flour tortillas. These feel through the plastic, they feel soft already, so I am excited to try these. I got some Beyond Burgers, so good. Got some, so funny, to go from this to just ground beef. I got some bacon for Houston because he's really been making bacon at breakfast and I just wanted him to have that. Really into Brussels sprouts right now. I just roast them. I'll probably make some for you guys to see how I make them. I just like to roast them in olive oil and a ton of different spices, and these looked beautiful and fresh, and normally I buy just like little plastic bags of them from Target, so I had to grab some of these just because of how nice they look. Brussels cam. Okay, so this is another gluten-free bread that they had there. I've had this before. These are the Artisan Loaves. I love to cut these up and make avocado toast with them. They look like they have, you know, like the holes, like the gluten formation in real bread. Looks like it. These taste so good and are so good for like fancy toasts. Love them. Maybe I'll make some garlic bread with this. Just got some eggs. Got to get my eggs. We go through them so fast. These are gluten-free like jalapeno poppers. And I was seduced by the packaging. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, these look cool and I'm cool, so I need to get these. Okay, shredded lettuce. I always have this because I like to make my own version of like Taco Bell tacos at the house, and these are a key component. These cherries just looked beautiful, so I grabbed those. And then finally, I'm trying to like always find a cold brew I actually like at home. I still always go out and get my own coffee drinks, so I'm trying to do more at home. There's my little grocery haul for the week. Hopefully there's some things in here that are winners. I will let you know.
Over the last 6 months, I've been working out with a woman named Sarah. She is my strength training coach. She's health at every size informed, and she has really changed my life. I work out with her twice a week, once digitally and once in person. During the pandemic, I had a lot of mobility issues and some confidence issues, and she's really made me feel so strong and powerful.
We're going out for my friend's birthday, or our friend's birthday. Houston's helping me put on my shoe.
Okay. So pretty.
Okay, here we are, all gussied up. Ready for a night out on the town. Very rare for us.
To be this fancy, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited too.
Oh.
So we went to Monarch in downtown Dallas for my friend's birthday that night, and we had the best freaking dinner. I swear to God, if you ever go, please get the mashed potatoes. They are delicious, melt in your mouth, buttery goodness. We even had a celebrity sighting this night. We saw someone from the Bachelor franchise. It was very, very exciting. The view was freaking gorgeous. I had the best time. We went to celebrate my friend Sarah's birthday, and her husband Danny was there. We like fully went in on this menu. It was a fantastic, beautiful night. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun making that. Definitely a learning curve. We will be back with more vlogs very soon. I'm hoping to do one weekly. If you want to see any other part of my life and or routine, please leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and come back. Let's hang out.